Hey, it's me, C, and welcome back to my channel. You guys like my backdrop? You like it? You like it? Good, because that's what this video is all about. You guys, I have been obsessed with like records, record players, all these different type of vintage vibe things for so long, but the record player I had broke, and I don't know why, but I just never got a new one for like 2 years. So I ordered this one right here from Amazon. I'll put the little link down in the description. It was super cheap, super affordable, and it has Bluetooth. It has like literally everything, but that's not what this video is about. You guys really love when I do my little DIY projects and things like that, so I figured why not come to you and, you know, film this little backdrop or wall decor, if you will, just to inspire you guys to get creative and use the things that are around your house to, you know, make your little apartment or your home really pop. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so you don't miss anything that I post. You can go ahead and really post a comment right now, post an emoji, post anything you want. Go ahead, just do it right now. I'll wait. I'm pretty sure that was enough time for you to comment, so thank you. So this is a very easy concept, and you can do this with anything in your house. As you guys saw, I did the newspaper backdrop not too long ago, and I used this very same wall. Although this isn't a super strategic DIY thing, me being extra, I did put a little bit more thought into it. So right now, I'm going through all my records and I'm pulling out the CDs and I'm putting them in their little paper sleeves. If it comes with it, if it doesn't, that's fine. And I'm just setting that to the side because of course you don't want to mount the record covers on the wall with the actual record in it. Like, how are you going to listen to your records? And that could damage it as well. And it just makes it way too heavy. After I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and just start putting certain record covers together just to see like what color schemes I like next to each other. It doesn't have to be super strategic, of course, but you know, I'm a little extra, so I like things in a particular way. And this also helps with avoiding, you know, messing up your wall or messing up the actual record covers. Now, as far as the structure that I'm building right now, I decided to put them like probably like a finger width apart. I could have done them like really close to each other, but I like seeing the little space of the wall. It adds a little bit more of like a tile effect. I didn't measure anything. I did everything just with my plain eyesight. So that's something that's really easy. Don't worry about it being super perfect. It'll just come out the way it should come out and it will look awesome. This Diana Ross record is actually double-sided, and I do have a few double-sided records on here, or record covers, but with the Diana Ross one, I really just like both images, and I just wanted to use both, so I opened them up, and that's why I'm doing that this way. Y'all, I love Prince so much. Like, Prince, I just love Prince. So this one is legit my favorite one, It is definitely a rare record to find. Honestly, a lot of these record covers or records in general are rare finds just because they're super old and they're originals. They're not like remakes or anything like that, so it is really hard to find these. I've been collecting these for like years. Some of them I've got from thrift stores, some of them I've gotten from like grandparents or whoever's house. If I see it and I like it, then I just grab it, of course with permission. So yeah. Now, I love both of these images, but I decided that it would be best for me to use the back side just because, I don't know, I just like the way it looked next to the Full Force record cover. And that's the one thing I love about record covers or records in general. It's like there's A side and a B side, so you get a lot of different artwork. Even like the inside of some of these albums or records, if you will, have like super dope, really cool artwork and like writings from the actual artist, like, you know, thank you letters that they used to put in like albums. That's on here too. So, you know, now in the digital age, we don't really get those thank you letters unless you buy a physical copy. And honestly, I don't even know if people really still sell physical copies, but I do want to start buying like the vinyl records of the new music I listen to, like the Tiana Taylor album. Like, I've been playing that nonstop and I really want to get that on vinyl. So, you know, if I don't have it by Christmas, you can buy it for me. The Stevie Wonder record is a 3-disc and I really love the image on all 3 openings. It's like a panorama, is that what you call it? Or a wide shot of like him or whatever. So I don't know, I really like that. So I decided to use all 3 of those instead of just the front picture. So this is the final look of the wall. I hope you guys like it. I love the way it turned out. And of course, you can decorate the wall however you want. I decided to add a record player and, you know, later on I'll add some plants and different things like that. Maybe a beanbag chair. So I thought that was pretty cool. Have a little, you know, lounge vintage type style area. That's it. So of course I had to test it out on Dash and take a couple pictures of him, a couple selfies and all that stuff. So I'll pop that in the video as well. Like, he literally loves taking pictures. That's definitely my dog. Like, it's my dog. I don't know if he just does it because he thinks like, oh, I'll be good, take this picture, show me a treat. Whatever, I don't care why he does it. I'm just happy that he does do it. Photo shoots with him are so fun and just so easy. But yeah, so that is how I created this DIY vintage vibe record wall. I have a lot of like lookbooks and, you know, clothing try on hauls and things like that coming up. So I really just wanted a change of scenery. I don't want to always have the same backdrop. So let me know what you guys think about that. I have a couple of other ideas and things that I'm going to work on and film for you guys. So that's super exciting. But as far as this wall right here, I think I might leave it up like maybe forever. I don't know. I really like how it just gels with the vibe of my apartment, if you will. And it's just a cute spot to just, you know, take some pictures and just chill out, listen to records, old and new, and yeah, just catch a little vibe. Y'all know I love to catch a little vibe. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.